Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Model S maintenance. So this is how my left headlight has looking like after the car wash since I bought the car. Seller told me that this is common and normal in Teslas and it will dry out by itself. I've heard some stories so I wasn't surprised. Yet there was moisture there after every wash or rain and other side was okay. After a few months of rain it developed into streams of water. Not safe because it might blind oncoming traffic or the headlight might just give up in the middle of driving someday. Okay, that was definitely not normal. Started browsing for a new headlight, but decided to have a quick look myself. How difficult can it be to reseal it? Pull this panel firmly upwards. No need to bother unscrewing this rubberized screw. It's possible to reinstall this panel back and pull the rubber mushroom above it again, no problem. Issue was visible straight away. On the top side, I could easily spot places where water was getting in through the seal, damaging reflective layer inside. Maybe this headlight got some knock in the past, or few winters of water sitting in the seal, freezing and melting, expanding and contracting. The seal eventually gave up. I don't know, but I don't like the design of it where the whole upper seal is directly exposed to weather conditions. On the bottom side seal is covered somehow, as this is LED light, so can't just take out bulb to dry it out. There is servo motor at the back, roughly in the middle, which is possible to turn and pop out. It comes out just a small bit only, sorry I don't have a picture of it. It was enough to blow warm air inside and from outside alternately. Can't use very hot air as it may melt front plastic glass or something else. It took a good while to dry it out actually, and there was still some moisture visible. I guess there was a lot of water inside. I will worry about it later. Time for resealing. Cleaned and degreased the old seal and using some Automotive lights resealant covered top side of the light again. Very difficult to reach the corner without taking the headlight out as it is hidden under the fender. I just covered as far as I could. On a few days with good weather, left the car facing the sun and left the little servo motor opened at the back of the headlight, which cleared the moisture completely. Driving for a few months after the repair and both headlights are clear now, regardless of the weather. Problem solved. Thank you for watching and see you next time.